Stefan, welcome to another episode of Sandventure. This will be a very fast episode, but I just wanted to share with you guys because this Christmas I went a little bit fancy and got myself a 250 ml bottle of Silver Mountain water by Creed. It came in this nice packaging. So, there you have the flakon, the packaging of the flakon, and I'm doing a little unboxing video for you guys. So, let's open this one up. I want to be really careful when opening this. Okay. We have a little letter of Creed. Okay, it's basically about the story about the House of Creed, and that Olivier Creed is only selecting the best raw materials, which I not doubt, but I'm pretty sure it's high quality. Okay. There we have a nice card in this as well. This is the box from the inside. And let's get out the flakon. There you have it, guys. 250 ml of Silver Mountain water. This is one of my favorite perfumes ever, and I spent a lot of time searching for a suitable clone, but I didn't find any, so I went full on and purchased a 250 ml bottle of Silver Mountain water. Let's open this one up, if it works. There you go. This is real leather, I think. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful emblem in the stopper. And that's it. Silver Mountain water. I'm going to decant a few 50 ml bottles of this, and I think I'm gonna keep myself around 150 ml of this juice, and the rest I'm gonna split with my friends. This is a really easy and fast way and a cheap way to purchase a Creed fragrance, because if you buy it in a bulk for 250 ml, you pay way less than for a 100 ml bottle or even a 50 ml bottle. So there you have it, guys. I'm doing a review about Creed Silver Mountain water in the future, and I'm comparing it to some clones in the future as well. So I hope you liked this video. Please comment, share and subscribe. This was yours, Stefan. See you on another episode of Sandventure. Bye bye.